Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are taking apart a 2024 Hummer EV. So this is something new. So let's take it apart. First things first, I couldn't find the frunk switch inside, so we are going to just use the key fob and give that a double click. And it opens itself. And let's jump inside real quick and grab our seat covers first. We don't have any tools yet, but no sense in not being safe. Do the camera shroud real quick, and then we will move on to our front end. Camera shroud, looking like kind of typical Chevy fare. Pull our mirror out of the way here. You're gonna go behind and just pry that guy off, let him fall away. And then this, we're simply going to pull away from the mirror, or from the glass. Looks like we got two little keeper tabs right there. These newer Chevy with a little ledge on them, and one of those. Set him right there. Pretty standard mirror tool. Take this guy off. Nothing too horribly complicated yet. Unplug the mirror there and pull this guy out of here, if it'll come out. A little persuasion here, maybe. There we go. And then unplug that one. Be super careful with these new mirrors. I think this is one of the LED mirrors that actually has a screen inside of it. It's a pretty heavy mirror. And then this looks also like pretty standard Chevy fare. We are going to push this guy up and lift him away from the typical GM Chevy windshield knobs there, and take our rain sensor off. Nice easy pressure. Try to get it to let go. Then give that a tug, and that one came off clean. Just got one little bubble in it. Should flatten out right there when we put it on the new one. And looks like we are clear to cut out. Nothing else hanging against the glass, because there's so much on this bracket here, and this bracket's not actually hanging by the camera, it's actually hanging by the bracket itself. We're gonna leave that guy right there rather than risk damaging something else. Now, move on to the more exciting bit. So this one's got 3 wipers, and you can see one of the wipers is hidden underneath this side guy here, trim. This trim piece has to come off. That's a really loud airplane. This side piece, these corner trims have to come off in order to get to the cowling and in order to get to that driver's side wiper. So we're going to give these here a twist and lift this corner panel off of here. Set him aside there. I got a 7mm bolt right here. remove that. And then this guy has little keepers underneath here. You can see a yellow one right there that hold this down. There's another one right there. Got that one off. And looks like it's attached to the cowling. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a hook tool here, and I'm going to see if I can show you inside here. That yellow guy right there. There's one way over on the other side there. And I think there's one down low as well. So I'm going to reach inside here with our hook tool, give that a twist. Give that one a twist. And then we got one more right there. I'll try not to put anything metal inside here since this is all battery operated. I don't want to nuke anything. And then I'm just going to lift this a little bit, give it a twist, and slide it on out. So here are your keepers that I was talking about. One right here. Looks like we lost a tab there. And then these guys. So relatively simple on that. Let's go ahead and pull the other side too. So again, giving these guys a twist. That makes it past the line there, so we'll leave that one in there. Where did I put my ratchet? Hate it when I put stuff down and don't remember where I put it. Alright, and this one. Pull that 7mm. Set that on the tire. And then once again, going to give this a lift. Get that to pop. It's like most of those let go that time. Now this one, however, we're still going to reach right inside here. And give this guy a little twist. Get him to let go. And again, lift and turn. We'll set him under there where we're not going to step on it. These look like pretty standard Chevy fare here. This one doesn't look like it got pushed in all the way. And this one sprays from there, so we are just going to pull the tube off of here, like so. That guy out. Cowling's pretty easy, it looks like. Only got 4 of these guys in here. That one. There's our last one right there. That loose. And then should be typical Chevy 15 mil for our wipers. It's on there pretty tight. Set this guy aside, and we're just going to climb up in the front here to remove these two. I'm going to get out a step stool that I don't really need. Guess I could use power tools, but yeah. Alright, let's grab ourselves, put him right there, a wiper puller. No reason for them to be that tight, at least I think. Driver's side. Taking you guys on my adventure here. Middle one we'll leave in here, and we'll put this one over on the other side so we don't get them all mixed up. I don't know if they're all the same. Don't care to find out the hard way. By putting them in the wrong position and then winding up having the wipers cross each other. Damn it, that guy's on there tight. This one hasn't yet chose violence, but it's working on it. There it goes. Alright, didn't have to break out the hammer. Alright. Ups and downs and backs and forths and I'll put this one over here. And see what we got under here. That's pretty easy. This one just pulls away. Now the big question, how do you Tetris this guy off of here? Or I guess realistically I could leave that one right there. Let's see. leave that just like that. That'll allow me to come over the top to set my glass over here. This is plenty of room away, so I'm not stuffing it. But I'm also not risking breaking my cowling. So, all right. We learned something new today. Thank you for coming along with me on this adventure. That is taking apart a Hummer EV 2024. And we will come back with a set on this guy and a setup. So, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.